Hi students, today you will learn about how to multiply a fraction times a whole number using number lines. And this is so exciting and so fun to do. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. So let's go ahead and start with a sample problem. We will do 1/4 times 5. So do you remember back in kindergarten when you first started learning how to count? You used number lines quite a bit back in those days. You learned how to skip count by ones, twos, fives, tens. Well, today you're going to skip count 5 times, but you'll be skip counting by 1/4. So let's set this number line up. I'm going to put a line in here and put 0. And I'm going to go ahead and do these little leaps across the number line to show that I'm going to skip count 5 times. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're going to stop right there because that's what our answer is going to be in this location here. So then I'm going to label here up top. We're going to be adding 1/4 each time, or skip counting by 1/4 each time. So I want to show that these little leaps are 1/4. And then we can go ahead and count by 1/4. Are you ready? So 0 plus 1/4 is 1/4. Then plus another 1/4 is 2/4. Plus another 1/4 is 3/4. Another fourth is 4/4. And finally, we have 5/4, which is our answer. So 1/4 times 5 is equal to 5/4. Now, do you notice something unusual about this fraction? It is a fraction greater than 1 because the numerator is bigger than the denominator. So you can actually convert this into a mixed number. So think about it this way. You can think about it as 5 divided by that fraction bar can also be a division sign divided by 4. How many 4s are there in 5? Well, there are 1. And what's left over? 1/4. Now, let's use our number line to verify this answer, okay? So let's go back to our number line. We have 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4, which is the same as a whole, correct? Then 5/4 must be a whole and a fourth. All right, we verified that answer. So both 5/4 and 1 1/4 are correct. Let's try another sample problem. This time we will do 1/3 times 6. I'm going to set up my number line just like I did before. I love drawing that line across. Back like we used to do in kindergarten, we're going to put a 0 here and let's skip count 6 times. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry, my partitions aren't perfectly aligned, but that's okay, right? And then we're going to skip count by thirds. So we'll put plus 1/3, plus 1/3, plus a third, plus a third, plus a third, and plus 1/3. Okay, are we ready to skip count? I think so. 0 plus 1/3 is 1/3. Then another third is 2/3. Another third is 3/3. Another third is 4/3. Another third is 5/3. And then we get to our final answer, which is 6/3. So we know that 1/3 times 6 is equal to 6/3. But take a look at that number. It's, again, a fraction bigger than 1. How do we know? Because our numerator is greater than our denominator. So what can we do here? Yeah, we can. That fraction bar also means divided by. So what's 6 divided by 3? It's 2. Well, can we verify that using our number line? We sure can. Well, let's go back and look. We have 1/3, 2/3, 3/3, which is a whole. Then 4/3 must be a whole and a third. Then 5/3 is a whole and 2/3. Add 1/3 to that, 6/3 is going to be 2. So both of these answers are acceptable. 6/3 is the same as 2. I hope you will try this method with your next problem. Good luck!